Assalamu alaikum 10th class. This is your lecture number 32 in which we will study about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means the synthesis of gametes. The term genesis is used for the synthesis of something. Okay, so gametogenesis means synthesis of gametes. As we know that we have two types of gametes which are known as egg cell and sperm cell. Gametes are basically the reproductive cells of animals. Okay, in females egg cells are produced and in males sperm cells are produced. And we know that gametes are haploid cells. Gametes are haploid cells which are produced through the process of meiosis. So in case of human, we have 23 chromosomes in sperm and egg cell. So let's move on the types of gametogenesis. We have two types of gametogenesis as according to the types of gametes. जैसे कि हमारे पास gametes दो तरह के ना, sperms and eggs. So their production will be separate for the sperm and egg. The synthesis of sperm is known as spermatogenesis and the synthesis of egg is known as oogenesis. Okay, genesis same meaning, synthesis. So in spermatogenesis, the first cell which will develop into the formation of sperm is known as spermatogonium. Spermatogonium is a diploid cell. It undergoes the process of mitosis and it will form a diploid primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte will undergo the process of meiosis 1 and it will form two cells which are called secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocytes are haploid and they will undergo the process of meiosis 2 and they will form spermatids. Okay, spermatids are also haploid and the spermatid will form a mature sperm after development. So spermatogenesis का complete process ये है कि आपके पास first cell है spermatogonium which is diploid. It will undergo the process of mitosis and it will form a diploid cell which is primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte will undergo the process of meiosis 1. As we know that meiosis 1 is a reduction phase because number of chromosome has been reduced to half in this phase. As you can see here, the 4 chromosome has been reduced to 2. So meiosis 1 के बाद बनेंगे secondary spermatocytes which are haploid. They will undergo the process of meiosis 2 and form 4 haploid cells which are spermatids. Spermatids will form mature sperm after maturation. The next is oogenesis. In oogenesis, the ultimate result is the formation of egg. The first cell is oogonium which is diploid and it will undergo the process of mitosis. It will form primary oocyte which is diploid, just as the process of spermatogenesis, but the difference is here. The next cell which will form through the process of meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 reduction phase है, haploid cells बनेंगे but they are different cells. The first cell is secondary oocyte and the other one is primary polar body or it is also known as first polar body according to your textbook. इन दोनों cells में meiosis 2 होगी and they will form 4 haploid cell. 4 haploid cells के names थोड़े से different हैं. जो secondary oocyte है, it will form ovum and a polar body. और यहाँ पर जो पहले से मौजूद पोलर बॉडी थी इस पे meiosis 2 के बाद अगेन 2 और पोलर बॉडीज बनेंगी. सो आप सम अप कर सकते हैं कि oogenesis में एक एग और 3 पोलर बॉडीज बनती हैं. ये 3 पोलर बॉडीज जो हैं ये डिजेनरेट हो जाएंगी और फर्दर ये जो एग है यही न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म के फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करेगा. ओके, सो आपने याद रखना है स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में हर स्पर्मेटोगोनियम 4 स्पर्म्स बना रहा है बट इन oogenesis ओनली 1 एग और 1 ओवम इज फॉर्म एंड 3 पोलर बॉडीज आर फॉर्म. ऑब्जेक्टिव में पूछा जा सकता है फर्स्ट पोलर बॉडीज फॉर्म आफ्टर द प्रोसेस ऑफ, तो आपने आंसर देना है meiosis 1 एंड द सेकंड पोलर बॉडीज आर फॉर्म आफ्टर द प्रोसेस ऑफ meiosis 2. So that's all about the spermatogenesis and their types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, gametogenesis खत्म हो गया है. आपने इसकी डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करनी है और इस टॉपिक को बहुत अच्छे से लर्न करना है.